Today, I want to take you on a journey beyond the surface of traditional manifestation, into the fascinating world of quantum manifestation. What if I told you that the universe is far more responsive and interactive than you ever imagined? That your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs don't just shape your mindset, but literally influence the very fabric of reality at a quantum level. Quantum manifestation is not just about positive thinking or wishful hoping. It's a powerful process, rooted in the principles of quantum physics, where everything is interconnected and possibilities exist simultaneously, until you consciously observe and collapse them into reality. At the heart of this concept is the understanding that our consciousness interacts with the quantum field, an infinite sea of energy and information that holds all potential realities. When you focus your intention clearly and emotionally engage with your desired outcome, you send a ripple through this field, influencing probabilities and drawing those experiences into your life. But here's the mind-blowing truth: quantum manifestation requires more than just desire. It demands alignment, emotional, mental, and vibrational harmony with the reality you want to create. You are not a passive observer, but an active participant in shaping your destiny. This means that limiting beliefs, fears, and doubts act like filters, blocking the flow of manifestation. To truly harness quantum manifestation, you must clear these blocks, cultivate unwavering belief, and step into the vibration of your fulfilled desire as if it's already yours. In embracing this, you unlock the true power of the universe, co-creating with it in a dynamic dance that turns your dreams into reality faster than ever before. The quantum realm invites you to trust, to feel, and to know that your mind is a creative force of extraordinary magnitude. So, the next time you set an intention, remember, you're not just hoping for something to happen. You're engaging with the very essence of existence, shifting realities, and manifesting a future limited only by the depth of your belief. Quantum manifestation is a concept deeply intertwined with the principles of quantum physics, which challenges and expands our traditional understanding of reality. Unlike the classical view that treats the universe as a fixed, mechanical system operating under rigid laws, quantum physics reveals a universe that is fundamentally probabilistic and interconnected at the smallest scales. At the heart of this scientific breakthrough lies the idea that particles do not have definite positions or states until they are observed or measured. This is known as the principle of superposition, where multiple possibilities exist simultaneously, and reality only takes shape when consciousness interacts with it. When we talk about quantum manifestation, we are referring to the way our thoughts and consciousness interact with this quantum field, a vast, invisible energy field that permeates everything. This field contains all possible outcomes, all potential realities, and it responds to the focus of our mind and emotions. Our intentions act as signals that influence which probabilities become reality. It means that reality is not predetermined or fixed but fluid and responsive, shaped by the conscious choices we make at a deep energetic level. This idea is revolutionary because it puts the power of creation back into the hands of individuals, instead of being passive observers who are at the mercy of external circumstances. Quantum manifestation suggests that we have the ability to shape our lives by directing our thoughts and feelings toward specific outcomes. It shifts the focus from simply hoping or wishing to actively participating in the unfolding of our reality. Moreover, quantum physics tells us that everything is connected through entanglement, meaning particles separated by vast distances can instantly affect each other. This interconnectedness extends beyond the physical to the energetic and conscious realms. When you focus on a desired outcome with clarity and emotion, you send a ripple through this field, subtly influencing the probabilities and nudging reality toward your preferred experience. This understanding bridges the gap between science and spirituality. It validates the ancient wisdom that consciousness is a creative force and provides a scientific framework to explain how manifestation works on a fundamental level. Many who have practiced manifestation intuitively understand that belief, feeling, and mental focus are crucial, but quantum physics now offers an explanation for why these factors matter so much. The key takeaway is that quantum manifestation is not magic or wishful thinking. It's a natural process of how consciousness interacts with the universe. This means that mastering quantum manifestation involves learning to direct your mind, align your emotions, and maintain a consistent vibrational frequency that matches what you want to attract. It also implies that skepticism or doubt can interfere with this process because these negative vibrations disrupt the connection between your intention and the quantum field. Understanding the quantum basis of manifestation empowers you to take responsibility for your thoughts and feelings, knowing that they have real consequences. It encourages a mindset of possibility and openness, where you recognize that your inner world directly influences your external reality. The science behind quantum manifestation is still evolving, but what is clear is that the universe is not as random or impersonal as once thought. Instead, it is a dynamic, conscious system responsive to the mind and heart of every individual. By embracing this truth, you open the door to unlimited creative potential. You begin to see yourself not just as a small part of a vast cosmos, but as an active participant in a constantly evolving dance of energy and information. The way you think, feel, and perceive sets the stage for what you experience in life. In this light, manifestation is no longer about waiting for things to happen, but about consciously shaping the probabilities and stepping into a reality you desire with intention and confidence. Conscious intention plays a pivotal role in the process of quantum manifestation because it serves as the bridge between your inner world and the external reality you wish to create. In quantum physics, particles exist in a state of probability, meaning they can be in multiple states at once until observed. This phenomenon, known as the collapse of the wave function, reveals that reality is not fixed but depends on observation. When applied to manifestation, this principle suggests that your focused attention and clear intention act like that observation, collapsing multiple potential outcomes into one specific reality. When you consciously direct your thoughts and emotions toward a particular goal, you are essentially sending a signal into the quantum field, a vast and interconnected energy matrix that contains every possible outcome. Your intention acts like a beacon, drawing the probabilities that align with your desired result closer to manifestation. This process is not merely about thinking positively or wishing for something to happen. It is about engaging your mind and emotions with precision and purpose. The clarity of your intention determines how effectively you can influence which potential reality becomes actualized. Emotions play a crucial role in this process, because they provide the vibrational energy that powers your intentions. When your emotional state is aligned with your desire, whether that means feeling joyful, grateful, or confident, you amplify the signal you send to the quantum field. This emotional energy acts as a magnet, attracting experiences that match the frequency of your feelings. Conversely, if your emotions are filled with doubt, fear, or anxiety, you weaken the signal and can inadvertently attract outcomes that reflect those negative vibrations. Another important aspect of conscious intention is the need for focus and consistency. The quantum field is vast, filled with infinite possibilities, so a scattered or unclear intention will not have the same impact. When your focus is sharp and sustained, your energy converges on a specific outcome, increasing the likelihood that this possibility will collapse into your reality. This is why practices like visualization, affirmation, and meditation are effective tools. They help you maintain a clear mental image and emotional connection to your goal over time. It's also essential to recognize that conscious intention is an active process that requires more than just passive wishing. It demands deliberate engagement with your thoughts and feelings, as well as a commitment to nurturing the belief that your desired outcome is not only possible, but inevitable. This belief acts as a powerful foundation, reinforcing the intention and strengthening your connection to the quantum field. In this way, conscious intention becomes a form of co-creation with the universe. You are not merely waiting for external circumstances to change. You are actively participating in shaping those circumstances through the focused energy of your mind and heart. This involvement changes your role from a passive recipient of fate to an empowered creator of your own experience. The science behind this process is still being explored, but emerging research in quantum mechanics and neuroscience supports the idea that observation and intention influence physical reality. Experiments have shown that particles behave differently when they are observed, and brain studies reveal that focused intention can alter neural pathways in physical states. These findings suggest that your inner focus has the capacity to affect the outer world in profound ways. Understanding the power of conscious intention invites you to take control of your life in a new and transformative way. It encourages you to cultivate awareness of your thoughts and feelings, to refine your desires with clarity, and to harness the emotional energy necessary to bring those desires into existence. Through this focused intention, you engage with the quantum field as a co-creator, navigating a reality filled with limitless potential and possibilities. Alignment is a crucial element in the process of quantum manifestation because it creates the energetic harmony necessary for your desires to materialize. When we talk about alignment, we mean that your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and actions all vibrate at the same frequency as the reality you want to attract. This unified state of being sends a clear and powerful message to the quantum field, making it easier for your intended outcome to manifest on the quantum realm. Everything vibrates at specific frequencies, and like attracts like. This means that the energy you emit through your mental and emotional state acts like a tuning fork, resonating with similar energies in the universe. If your inner world is conflicted, if you desire abundance, but feel fear or scarcity, your vibrational frequency becomes mixed and unclear. This confusion sends mixed signals to the quantum field, which can delay or distort the manifestation process. On the other hand, when you are fully aligned, your energy is coherent and focused, amplifying the strength of your manifestation signal. Emotional alignment is especially important because emotions carry a high vibrational charge that communicates directly with the quantum field. Positive emotions, such as love, joy, gratitude, and confidence elevate your vibration, making it easier to attract experiences that match those feelings. When you cultivate these emotions in relation to your desire, you essentially match the frequency of the reality you wish to experience. This emotional resonance acts like a magnet, pulling the corresponding circumstances into your life more rapidly. Mental alignment involves maintaining clear, consistent thoughts that support your goals. This means avoiding negative self-talk, doubts, or conflicting beliefs that undermine your intention. Mental clarity ensures that your focus remains on what you want rather than what you fear or don't want. Visualization techniques, affirmations, and mindfulness practices can help maintain this mental alignment by keeping your attention anchored on your desired outcome. Physical alignment also plays a role, as your actions should reflect and support your intentions. Taking inspired steps toward your goals creates momentum and reinforces your alignment with the reality you wish to manifest. When your actions are congruent with your thoughts and feelings, you create a powerful energetic flow that propels your manifestation forward. The importance of alignment lies in its ability to eliminate resistance. Resistance often comes from inner conflicts, limiting beliefs, or emotional blocks that create energetic friction. This friction disrupts the smooth flow of energy to the quantum field, making it difficult for your manifestations to materialize. By consciously working to align all parts of yourself, your mind, emotions, and actions, you reduce resistance and open the pathway for your desires to unfold naturally. Achieving this alignment requires self-awareness and deliberate practice. It involves regularly checking in with your thoughts and feelings, identifying any inconsistencies, and consciously shifting your vibration to a place of harmony. Meditation, journaling, and energy healing practices can support this process by helping you release negative patterns and cultivate positive states of being. When alignment is achieved, the universe responds more readily to your requests because your energetic signature is clear and unwavering. This clarity acts like a direct line to the quantum field, allowing your intentions to be received and manifested without confusion or delay. In this state, manifestation becomes not just possible, but inevitable, as your entire being works together in perfect harmony to bring your desires into reality. Understanding the role of alignment helps you see that manifestation is not about forcing or controlling outcomes, but about tuning yourself to the frequency of what you want. It emphasizes the need to nurture your inner environment with positive beliefs, emotions, and actions, creating a fertile ground for your dreams to grow. When you live in alignment, you become a powerful magnet for the reality you wish to create, and the process of quantum manifestation flows effortlessly through you. Limiting beliefs act as one of the biggest barriers to effective quantum manifestation, because they create energetic blockages that interfere with the flow of your intentions. These beliefs are often subconscious programs or mental patterns that tell you what you can or cannot have, what is possible or impossible, and they strongly influence your emotional state and vibrational frequency. When these limiting beliefs are in place, they act like filters or lenses that distort your perception of reality and send conflicting signals to the quantum field, making it difficult for your desired outcomes to manifest. At a fundamental level, manifestation is about aligning your vibrational frequency with the reality you want to create. However, limiting beliefs generate resistance by producing negative emotions such as fear, doubt, anxiety, or unworthiness. These emotions lower your vibration and create energetic disharmony, which clashes with the positive frequency of your intentions. For example, if you desire financial abundance but hold a belief that money is hard to come by, or I don't deserve wealth, these thoughts will produce feelings of scarcity and resistance that block the manifestation process. The quantum field responds to the overall vibrational frequency you emit. So when resistance is present, it's like trying to tune a radio to a clear station, but ending up with static instead. Overcoming limiting beliefs requires awareness and deliberate effort. The first step is to identify these beliefs by paying attention to recurring negative thoughts or emotional patterns that arise when you focus on your goals. Journaling, meditation, and self-reflection can help bring these subconscious beliefs into conscious awareness. Once identified, you can begin to challenge and replace them with empowering beliefs that support your manifestation. For example, changing "I'm not good enough" to "I am worthy of all good things" shifts your vibrational frequency and opens the pathway for manifestation. Emotional release is also crucial, because limiting beliefs often carry deep emotional charges that keep them anchored in your subconscious. Techniques like emotional freedom technique, EFT, breathwork, or therapy can help release these trapped emotions, allowing your vibration to rise. When you let go of fear, doubt, and negativity, you create space for higher vibrational emotions, such as confidence, gratitude, and love emotions that greatly enhance your ability to manifest. Another important aspect is consistent practice. Changing limiting beliefs is not a one-time event, but a process of rewiring your mind and emotions over time. Affirmations, visualization, and surrounding yourself with positive influences help reinforce new empowering beliefs. As these beliefs become stronger, your vibration naturally aligns with your desired reality, reducing resistance and accelerating manifestation. It's also essential to cultivate self-compassion during this process. Many people feel frustrated or impatient when manifestations don't appear quickly, which can reinforce limiting beliefs. Recognizing that change takes time and being gentle with yourself helps maintain a positive mindset, keeping your vibration high and your intentions clear, the impact of limiting beliefs extends beyond just personal manifestation. They influence how you perceive opportunities, relationships, and challenges. By freeing yourself from these internal blocks, you not only improve your manifestation abilities, but also enhance your overall quality of life. You become more open to receiving, more confident in your power, and more aligned with the abundant possibilities around you. Understanding the role of limiting beliefs highlights why manifestation isn't simply about wanting something strongly. It's about creating the right internal environment where your desires can flourish. Clearing these blocks is essential for establishing energetic coherence and allowing the quantum field to respond fully to your intentions. When limiting beliefs are removed, you unlock the full potential of your consciousness to co-create your reality with clarity and ease. You are not a passive observer in the universe, but an active creator, playing a vital role in shaping your reality through the process of quantum manifestation. This idea marks a profound shift from traditional perspectives that view individuals as merely subject to external circumstances or fate. Instead, quantum physics reveals that consciousness itself is a dynamic, creative force capable of influencing the fundamental nature of reality. This means that every thought, emotion, and intention you generate participates in the ongoing creation of your experience. At the core of this principle is the recognition that the universe operates as an interconnected web of energy and information. Your consciousness interacts with this web, not as a distant spectator, but as an engaged participant whose focused awareness can influence which potential realities come into being. When you align your thoughts and emotions with a clear intention, you become an energetic signal that directs the flow of possibilities in the quantum field.